Hi, I'm Barb with Activa. Today we're going to talk about what to do when your air conditioning isn't working. So your air conditioner isn't working. What do you do? Before calling for service, there are some troubleshooting tips that you can try. Number 1, check the furnace switch. Located in the basement in the utility area, the furnace switch will be labeled and should be in the on position. Number 2, check your thermostat. The thermostat has a battery. A blank screen could indicate that these batteries need to be replaced. Make sure that the thermostat is set to cool. Check the breaker on the panel in the basement to make sure that it is in the on position. Number 4, check the exterior where the AC is located to ensure that the lines are connected. You should see a copper line and a black pipe running to the house. If you have checked all of these items and the air conditioner is still not working, it is a good idea to call in for service. We hope you found this video helpful. Please check out our website for additional videos. Thanks for watching.